everyone, this is your Bone Tutor here. We are at Dulles International Airport, and I will be showing you how to use the display control on the Boeing 777-200ER from PMDG here. So let's get started then. So once you have enough power on the aircraft, you have to go down to the FMC here, go into the menu here, FMC, FSX, no, never mind. So display control, turn on, and display here. So there's three settings here. Left inboard. So left one over here. You just have other checklist, comms, navigation here, low center, kind of same thing with the three options here, and then right and opposite, so right inboard, and we got that. And then also you could change it to either engine or stat. And now I will have to get into the three options here, and then so yeah, like checklist here is pretty much just like you just go through the 777's checklist. If you don't have a physical checklist like I do, or which actually you can actually just download off the internet. Actually, I know someone's asking a question about that, but you can just download a PDF, download and print a PDF file of a checklist for your favorite aircraft that you fly, and then the columns here, which I'll be going over in a minute. Well, actually, no, we're going over it right now. But so ATC, you can just I think there's so you have to go. So you have to connect to a network, AI, or a Gatsim or something. So and then I have to log on to a network here, like I just said. And all these will end up working, like your level request, you have to obviously just. That you could just type in level, cruise climb, everything there. Like route request here. You type in everything for your route here. Clearance request. Assuming you have to put it over here. And then flight information. You can also. This is obviously departure request here. Your flight number, departure, ATIS, gate, everything here. ATIS, SIAI or intention of the eye. So putback request here. Everything here. Expected manager here. Basically just since the visions you kind of already saw there in the time it took me to talk. There's also the navigation, which obviously needs no further explanation as to what it is. As well as the engine, which are requirements that you default to once you actually start up the engine, which I clearly do not have. So once you start the engines, it's just gonna I guess do its thing, and then stat, just stats of whatever thing you choose here. So let's say electric, right? Guess it. But and those that, as you just saw, It's also the display synoptics, which is basically this, but you can just select it here, which in my case will probably have to do. Yeah, basically the same thing as this, just means to put that on the EFB right here. So flight control is pretty simple here, right? I pull up, this moves, push down, it moves down. Same thing for left and right here. On the right, for left, for right. And then same thing for rudder, pretty much for left and for right on the rudder. If you didn't catch it first time, you will most likely have to actually just look back if you are confused somehow. That's pretty much all the display control for the EFB. As it is, label this as an overview for the display control. I will have to eventually make a separate video for the EFB control if you really wanted it. I'll have to do my research on that first, if you so want it. Okay, that is Boeing Tutors out, and I'll catch you in the live shoot tomorrow, because I do have one planned. Alright, this Toodles.